Okay, here we are, folks. Blizzard of 2013 on Nantucket. As you can see, the roads are pretty quiet. I got my friend Jim here. He's going to be our travel guide with his four-wheel drive, and we're going to give you some shots of just what's going on here. Jim, how you doing, buddy?
Hey, what's happening, Gino?
All right, we appreciate you being our guide here.
Yeah,
where are we headed first?
Madaket.
Madaket.
I have to check on a house I look after. And,
okay.
Make sure the heat's running. And
have you seen a lot of people on the road?
no, and that's probably a good thing. You know.
Yeah. I think aside from the media,
right, it's very slick.
There's a ban. I heard.
Oh, I thought that was yesterday.
No, it's today too here.
Uh-oh.
You're all right though.
Yeah.
With me, you're all right.
Well, most people shouldn't be on the road except for maybe, emergency personnel.
Right, and caretakers.
I mean, the thing is a lot of streets, there's narrow, there's only really instead of 2 lanes, 1.5 lanes. So when someone comes at your other way,
You got it. So did you lose power last night, Jim?
I did.
Yeah.
Yep. But briefly, and then it was put back on again. And then I think I had to go over to my my full-time job, which is it's Sherburne Commons, and they were snug over there. The generator was on, and everybody was.
They're all set over there then? Yeah. I'm gonna go up I'm gonna go up there and take a shot of it. You're gonna go in there and check that house. Coming right in off the north there.
This is whiteout.
It is basically whiteout. You can't see in front of you too well. Maybe 100 feet?
I'll tell you, the sun comes out tomorrow. That's going to be a good day. Everybody's going to be in a...
Oh, yeah. Sledding like crazy. Kids will be going nuts. Yeah, the wind isn't bad here.
No, downtown. Boy, that was wicked out in Dionis.
You know what? You know who's going to use this? CNN. They'll love this footage. Look at this, Jim. Hey, there's fish over here. There's some sea.
Look at that, some bass.
There's some sea bass.
See, how does
Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. This is going to be a lot of work for a lot What's your name?
I'm Paul.
Hey, Paul.
How you doing?
Good, good. So what's the story now? What do we hear and what do we have here? What kind of flooding are we experiencing?
Well, a lot of downtown, lower downtown, is pretty much under about close to a half foot of water right now.
Yep.
We've had to close down a lot of the streets. We're not allowing anyone to drive through, obviously. For those roads, we're actually just blocking them off. We're not even clearing them ourselves.
Oh, there's nobody down there at all? Like Brand Point looks like it's kind of flooded down there. Is that?
I haven't been in that end. So,
okay.
When I see it with you, is going to be the first time I see it as well.
Okay. So we'll head down towards down in that area.
Yes.
Now, great.
Yeah, Brand Point. I don't know if you were down by the Dreamland there.
I was. I got some amazing footage of that.
Yeah, that building's actually designed for flooding. I work there at nights at the Dreamland.
Oh, you do? So, that's good to know.
That building's actually designed for flooding. The only real vulnerable point for that building is the front doors. Luckily, the water didn't get up that high. It was pretty close, though.
He's going down. Can you go down at all?
I can't.
Okay, you can't. Okay.
I'm very sorry.
That's okay. Let's just go down and then turn around. We'll get at least let me get a shot of that
Oh,
area.
of course. Go ahead, Nicky.
How we doing? Doing all right?
Yeah, all done sanding. Picking up diesel for Perry. I got
Look,
the tanks.
there's a guy down there in the water. Way down there.
All right, you done sanding that whole route, huh? Good?
Yeah, it's good. The whole thing's sanded. Sean pushed it all back.
All right. After that, we're gonna call it a day, right? So we get some rest, because we're gonna be maybe need you out later tonight. Okay?
Copy that, buddy.
Okay, so you're
not
gonna.
working, right?
No, I'm good for tonight.
All right. Perfect. Yeah, that way you can go get yourself some rest. And when we need your car, you'll call you.
Thank you, Nicky.
You gonna head down? No? Did you see the guy walking across over there? Pretty cool, huh?
His knees.
Up to his knees. Yeah. That, what?
Car looks halfway.
I know it. I mean, it's definitely flooded down there. Well, guys like you are going to be busy for a while again. Oh, well, what are you going to do? Terrible, but...
Oh, so because of the high winds last night, there's actually an original American elm that fell over. Any traveler to Nantucket's always admired our giant elms downtown. So
Where is it? Which one?
it's right off of Rose Street, over by the Methodist Church.
Oh, no.
So yeah, it unfortunately landed on a private residence and caved in part of their house. So
All right. Well, so let's go see it. Okay. Oh, man.
You go around, you can see the roots are all.
Was anybody in there?
I don't think so.
Thank God.
No.
Look at that.
Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy. Wow. That house even, well, that didn't get it so bad.
No.
But 150 years old, you said? At least, maybe. Perry!
What's going on, Gino?
How How many hours have you put in already?
Oh, well, I've been out here since 3 o'clock this morning, buddy.
No way.
3 o'clock this morning.
What are we hearing? What have you heard anything about Codfish Park?
No, I haven't heard anything
All
yet.
right.
So I don't
But
know
the
how it
flooding's
is over
bad
there.
down on Brand Point.
Yes, it's pretty bad down there. The tide came up, and
Yep.
you know, people supposed to be at home, but they out. So ain't nothing else we can do.
Well, not many of them
Yeah,
around.
that's true. But you know what I mean? The sidewalk's looking good, you know what I mean? So
Yeah, you're doing a nice
we're
job.
trying to do everything we can.
Of course
so.
you are, and I had a nice little drive around with Paul.
Well, that's good.
Yeah,
That's good.
yeah, he took me around and showed me the elm tree too.
Well, it's always a pleasure, you know, Gino.
You too, pal. Keep
All
up
right,
the good
buddy.
work.
All
And
right.
get some sleep.
All right.
You'll
all
be
right.
back at it tonight?
I'll be back at it tonight, buddy.
All right, Butler.
All right, see you
See
later.
ya. Yep. Hey, a giant elm tree smashed right into somebody's house right over here. Oh, I got it. It's unbelievable to see. Unbelievable. It looks like a summer house. Behind Don Friedman's place.
I caretake that house. No. Get in there.
Are you kidding me?
No. Close the door.
God, Jim. This is like you kidding me. The one right behind Don Friedman's, on Rose Street?
I do. Maybe.
You better pull over, caretaker, and take a look at your house here. Thank God nobody was in that house, let me tell you. Right down that street. Boom.
Yes.
That's the house you caretake.
I've warned her about that for years. But anyway. Paula, hey, this is Jerry Kilowatt calling. Got some bad news about the house on Rose Lane. That big elm tree demolished the front room there. It's totally crashed out your room. I hate to be the bearer of bad tidings. Also came right across the street at your neighbor's house. I'm snapping a few pictures. The tree services there. Give me a call as soon as you can. Sorry about that. But, luckily no one was in there and no one was injured. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks. Well, that's a call everyone wants to make.
You know, I have a house in Maine, and I know all of us worry about it. Have you ever had to make a call like this before as a caretaker?
Not that a tree has demolished a house, no.